Hey there, it's David with Layer 2 Computers. I'm about to fire up your computer. It should show up on this monitor right here. So let's see what happens here. This is the first time. Okay, we have lights on the inside. Over here, we have boot. Yay, now all we gotta do is get the operating system all loaded up and we'll be good to go. That's awesome. It should pop up here to probably a different screen, just some configuration options. Yep, looks like it's getting there. And ready or not, oh, there it is. Awesome. Moving forward, yay! Windows is all installed, and now we're working on getting all the drivers set up, and we'll fix that little error at the bottom, and we should be good to go fairly shortly. Then we'll start getting Office all set up and your data transferred over. All the errors are taken care of. Now we just got to get everything up to date and start transferring your data over. Awesome!